Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EarnBySkill. If you are preparing for the Canadian Citizenship Test and feeling confused, stressed, or unsure where to start, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share proven tips, smart study strategies, common mistakes to avoid, and a clear step by step plan to pass your citizenship test in the first attempt. Stay till the end because I will also tell you how many questions you must get right, which topics are most important, and how to revise in the last 7 days. So let's get started. Understanding the citizenship test. First, let's understand the test clearly. The Canadian Citizenship Test has 20 multiple choice questions and you will get 45 minutes. Once the timer starts, you won't be able to stop it. After 45 minutes, your test will be submitted automatically even if you are not finished. You will get a warning when you have 5 minutes left. Then, you must score at least 15 correct answers. And all the questions come from Discover Canada study guide and citizenship test is conducted online or in person. Important thing to remember. Questions are not difficult, but they are confusing if you don't prepare properly. Discover Canada Study Guide How to Use It Correctly. Many people fail because they read the book the wrong way. Don't try to memorize everything. Don't read like a storybook. Instead, divide the guide into key sections. For example, Section 1 will be Canada's history, Section 2, government and political system, Section 3, rights and responsibilities, Section 4, elections and voting, Section 5, geography and regions, and Section 6, economy and symbols. Government, history, and rights give you the maximum questions. Tip I would like to provide you here is read one chapter per day. After each chapter, try to solve MCQs immediately. Let's discuss about most important topics now. Now listen carefully. This part is very important. Here, I'm going to discuss some high priority topics like system of government, parliamentary system which you need to read, role of Prime Minister, Governor General, Charter of Rights and Freedoms, Indigenous Peoples, Confederation and important dates, provinces and capitals, and national symbols. These topics are repeated again and again in the real test. So if you master these, you can easily score 15 plus marks. Now, strategy which you can use to answer smartly. Many questions look easy but are tricky. Here's how to handle MCQs. So first, read the question slowly. Second, eliminate clearly wrong options. Third, look for keywords like first, only, most important, official. Usually, two options are wrong, one is confusing, and one is correct. The rule which you can follow to answer in MCQs: don't overthink. Most answers are directly written in Discover Canada Guide. Now, let's discuss about practice with timed quizzes. There is where most students improve dramatically. Real test pressure comes from limited time, nervousness. So solution to that is practice timed quizzes, use 5 to 10 questions and do at least 100 to 150 MC quiz. Why? Because your brain learns to read faster, think clearly, and avoid panic. This is why quizzes on this channel EarnBySkill all are designed with the timers. Now, here are some common mistakes that cause failure. Let me tell you why many people fail even after studying. Only reading the book, not practicing MCQs, ignoring history and government, depending on random internet notes, studying one night before the test. Remember, citizenship test is about understanding, not guessing. Here, I have created last 7 days preparation plan. If your test is coming soon, follow this plan. On day 1 to 3, make sure revise government and rights and responsibility related sections and make sure solve 50 MCQs daily. From day 4 to 5, read about history and geography and practice full length quizzes. On day 6, learn about weak areas revision and learn about important dates and facts given in Discovery Canada study guide. On day 7, just do light revision only. Make sure don't touch any new topics and relax your mind. A calm mind performs better than a tired brain. Now, let's discuss about some exam day tips. On test day, make sure sleep well, eat light food, and read instructions carefully. Don't rush the first 5 questions. If you are unsure, skip and come back later. Remember, you only need 15 correct answers. You don't need 100%. Just keep this in your mind. Thousands of people clear this test every month. If they can do it, you can do it too. This test is not about intelligence, it's about consistency, practice, and smart preparation. So believe in yourself. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to EarnBySkill channel, and turn on the notifications. We post daily citizenship quiz, shorts, full practice questions, exam tips and tricks. Comment below your test date, your biggest fear about the test. I'll reply and help you. Best of luck for your Canadian citizenship test. See you in the next video.